Alright.
These are bottom drive, too.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it gonna go?
Our historic elevator lifts. Elevator lifts.
You
That's
wanna-
an interesting way to say it.
Well, that was weird.
Have been restored to preserve the experience of what it was like to ride to the top of one of Denver's first skyscrapers. I don't really see the preservation, to be honest.
These things feel wonky. I think it's
Bottom
the
drive.
interior that they're talking about.
I don't know. This interior doesn't look very old either. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah, these things feel weird.
These things are preserved to feel like what it was
Two-speed
like
center.
to ride to the top of a hotel elevator in the 90s.
Huh.
Here, we don't want to lose it. 'Cause this is only... Oh, shit.
Sam, don't do that. Just let it go. Let it go, Sam. We'll just get another one.
It takes ages.
That's
Literally took
fine.
10 minutes. No, then we'll be late.
Yeah, I see how it could be a concern. I
You
don't
know that when it's getting called to empty floors, that means people call it.
Okay, this thing is weird. I pushed door close and it flipped out.
Newer phone.
That's to be
I'm not
expected.
seeing the preservation.
Honestly, it's probably just the car interiors.
Yeah. Elevator lifts.
Elevator lifts. Yeah. Darn.